Today, I'll show you how to make a gorgeous satin scrunchie at home. Start with a piece of shiny satin fabric. Satin is perfect because it looks luxurious, and now fold the strip lengthwise with the shiny sides facing in. Pin or clip the edges neatly. Sew along the long side. Don't forget to leave a small gap. That's how we'll flip the fabric later. Turning the fabric once stitched, carefully pull the fabric through the gap to turn it inside out. Adding the elastic. Take a piece of elastic about 7 to 8 inches long. Attach a safety pin to one end and carefully feed it through the fabric tube. Keep pulling until it comes out the other side. Tie the ends of the elastic together tightly in a knot. Look at that silky shine. Already looks beautiful, right? Welcome back. In the last video, we stitched and turned our satin fabric. Now, let's finish our scrunchie. Closing the scrunchie now, tuck in the raw fabric edges. Stitch the opening closed. You can hand stitch for a neat finish or use a machine to save time. Fluff it up and your satin scrunchie is ready. These scrunchies are perfect for daily wear, thoughtful gifts, or even to sell as part of a small business. Try making them in different colours: maroon, cream, silver, or even mix and match. So which one would you try first? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more creative DIY ideas.